Do freelancers need to be content creators as well? This is a topic that's really close to my heart. I've been speaking to a lot of students and clients who've been asking me if each and every freelancer needs to create content like I am doing. My answer is a yes and a no. Let me explain. When I say a yes, I mean that you have to create really high quality content showcasing your expertise, talking about your work that you do, promoting yourself, promoting your services, promoting the work that you've done for other clients. This is not 22 or 23 where you can get away with putting very basic carousels, very basic statics. This year is the year of video. Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, all are focusing on videos. So the higher the quality, the more effort that you put into understanding your content creation, the more people you can reach. And when I say no, I mean you don't need to get into as much detail as I am doing. The only thing that you need to know is how to improve the quality of your video. As a freelancer, it's extremely important to become a personal brand. You can look at all the freelancers in the market. Everybody who is a highly paid freelancer has a personal brand. And if you want to equate personal brand to some form of followership or subscribership, then yes, that definitely holds true in today's time. While we would like to move away from that, that is the harsh reality that we must face. So as a freelancer, let's start becoming a content creator, because content is truly the king at this point of time. And the better your content, the better your stories, the faster chances of us getting sold out.